What you got, Emily? That's not quite how you drink out of it. No. You can't drink out of that way. What are you doing? Almost. You almost got it. Oh. Your daddy's sending me. I am. Say hi, Daddy. This is what we do while you're at work. Play with bottles. Is that funny? You're chewing on it awful hard. Oh, you almost got it! I'd feel more bad if you hadn't just eaten. You're not actually trying to drink out of it. Oh, don't want it to fall down. Here. You're welcome. You do it, you goofy girl. It's almost in your mouth. It's in your cheek. You silly. You silly. You're looking sleepy. A little bit. Your feet are pushed on the chair and I'm rocking. Yes, I said feet. Don't ever speak like your mother. You like rolling it? Do you like rolling it? You are absolutely soaked from that water. Or is it drool? Can't tell. Yeah, you're cute. You're cute. Everybody loves you. Oh, you almost got it. You almost got to stand up. Here, I'll help again. Let me help. Hold on. Bless you. Bless you. You love sneezing. You silly. Bye.